Realme mobile, all Realme phone, pattern, password, screen lock remove, very easy. Any Realme mobile, pin remove, FRP remove. First, power of this phone. Press power button, not work. Power button press, not work. Then volume up and power press with volume power and okay power off. Then volume up and power key. Then volume down and power key press with recovery mode. For recovery mode, just 3 seconds. Release power key. Okay, no command show. Then volume up and power key. Recovery mode. Then volume down. Then format. Factory reset. Factory reset. Okay. Formatted. Okay. All format. Then reboot system and wait 2 or 3 minutes. Few minutes waits. This phone is Realme C53. This mobile Realme C53. Realme all device, same system, same rules, very easy unlock without any computer and PC or laptop, just hard reset. Realme mobile, screen lock remove, Realme mobile, Gmail remove, Realme mobile, Google account remove, Realme mobile, pin remove, Realme mobile, password remove, Realme mobile, fingerprint remove, very easy, face lock, all locket remove, very easy, just hard reset. Okay, then next, then continue, then next, then more, then accept, skip, done. Realme UI, get started. Okay, any lock remove, very easy. This model is rmx3760. This model is rmx3760, Realme C53. Okay.